So 大家好，is hello。
大家好，
我係 Mary。
我係
我係
Mary。
我 is I me
呢位係我哋嘅新同事 Mary。
You know how to say it. And then the colleagues say like usually when you introduce the colleague are sitting at their own seat, right?
Yeah.
And then like they for a
歡迎加
form
入
of
我們
politeness,
的工
they say 你好，歡迎加入我哋公司。係啦，你好 is hello, and then 歡迎 is mean welcome.
Welcome.
Like for example, you go to Aeon or Yata supermarket，歡迎
翻嚟，
係啦，歡迎嚟臨一田百貨 this right welcome and then 加入 is mean join 嗱，加咧 is mean single word for 加 is mean
加
add
入
add add and then 入 is mean entry add you to entry for the you enter the company so it means joining
我的公司。
and
We
then
are
我哋
company.
our
Our
我
company.
哋
Our
you go too
company.
fast. Company is 公司
公司。
Share is mean firm.
Yeah.
公司 is mean 公 is mean official firm, so it is company.
Company.
加入can be used for 係啦for example I open a Chris Coffee.
Yeah.
And then and then I join the food court in the APM.
Yeah.
And then 我 Chris Coffee 加入咗 APM food court， 加入啦。
加入。
Or some voluntary work poster will promote 各位，呢位係我哋嘅新同事 Mary。 And then Mary 大家好，我係 Mary。 And then 就同事 say 你好，歡迎加入我哋公司。Conversation is 打電話 is call the phone
打電話
係啦
請
and then
病假
and then the 請 is mean apply 請 and for example 請你for example I as a class representative I invite 潘仔 to distribute the note， 請你幫我派 notes like this monitor 潘仔and then 請 is request 係啦，請 have a lot of the function for this word. For example, excuse me 請你借借 like you are squeezing yourself out of the MTR train 請你借借唔該借借 this and excuse me the meaning and then here is a request and then 病假 is mean sick leave 病 is mean sick 唔好意思我病咗啊，今日嚟唔到上堂 for example 病啦。係啦，假 is holiday or leave。 So the first sentence is 老細，我今日唔舒服，想
上請並假
係啦，我 is I，and then 今日 is today，
today
係啦，and then 咧 is
not
mean no not。And for example, Andy would like to have coffee and then ask me the waiter， 有冇有冇唔係今日唔舒服唔該，我想要一杯咖啡 ，and then I say 今日冇咖啡 ，no 今日唔提供咖啡 ，not provide coffee， 唔提供冇 this meaning no not， and then 舒服 is comfortable。the 舒服咧 can mean for example you feel sick and then you physically not very unwell, and then this 舒服 also in our language can mean for example someone very offense to you. For example, in the office, some boss are very do some 想 is mean want. For example, 我
想
係啦
想
the
放假
the Chris Coffee Cafe case 我唔該
我想
Chris
飲咖
我想
啡
飲咖啡。今日唔提供咖啡。Then why you open this shop？ 想 want。
once
And then the boss 老細 say 冇問題。It
冇
means no
問題
problem。
that is right just more just like that not
有冇請問有冇咖啡啊？冇喎。This is 有 right？
yeah
And then when delete and it become this form.
oh
No
no
the two lines.
this is same
This is
like that.
same. This is written, spoken,
okay,
also
okay.
apply.
okay
This only spoken.
okay
For example, you write
Understand.
on WhatsApp, you write this is no problem.
oh
But if you write on
Okay.
like on reading the novels for reading or the email, then only can write this one.
oh
And then for 你之後俾翻
之後俾翻
你 if you 之後 is
之後
afterwards later。
之後 later
As you
接
have
翻
learned the section of position, you know 後面 right
後面
is behind later
later
係啊。And then 俾翻 is
俾翻
back。俾 is give。For example 我俾部電話片俾啦。give and then 翻 is back。For example we say 翻屋企，so 翻 is mean back。
翻張醫生紙
張醫生紙
張
我
醫
張
生
is
紙
piece of paper piece。
Piece.
張 is the
張
quantity word for paper for ticket for the thin
一
sheet
張
of
一
thing。
張
一張紙 ，hello 一張紙一張卡片一張
張
we are talking about it for page 72一張證書
證書
張啊
張
，and then 我
我
係啦 the whole sentence 冇問題。你之後俾翻張
張
醫生
醫
紙我。
生紙我
So this is the second sentence, and then Mary say 好
好
唔該。
唔該
In the real career situation of Hong Kong, when you apply a sick leave for now after the COVID, there is a new trend that only use WhatsApp to apply the sick leave, and then 都唔知佢係咪詐病。詐病 is mean pretend sick. 詐 is mean cheating. They will say it that way. So for there is a older people teach me when I'm 20 something years old. Now I'm 30 something, and then they say, you better call your employer, and then you first press down your thumb, this, and then why? Esther, for example, my employer was Esther. 我今日唔係好舒服，我想請一日假。With you incubate your emotion to be a bit boring, sad, and then you this make your throat have some secretion over there, and then speak slowly.
Yeah.
And then this will make the employer feel better. And then I find this way really is work. The most important is call her, and then you just stand for about 40 seconds, speak slowly.
Yeah.
And then most importantly, the sick leave paper, sick leave certificate. And then this when I'm older and older, and then sometimes I want to change my job. But of course, I won't tell the employer that I want to change my job, right? I need to go for interview, right? Otherwise, they will fire me first. And then I use this because I can't tell her that I'm going to go for an interview. And then I incubate my sickness. I this and then call her for sick leave. This. This is some of the office secrets, open secrets in our city.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 請病假 72.
72.
Yeah.
Last one.
So each person, we can have the exam.
Okay.
I think all of you have already come. 得邊度唔舒服？
你覺得哪裡不舒服？
我覺得肚痛同肚屙。你有腸胃炎，我開啲藥俾你。好，麻煩你開張醫生紙俾我。
冇問題。
I repeat， 你覺得邊度唔舒服？我覺得肚痛同肚屙。你有腸胃炎，我開啲藥俾你。And then， 好，麻煩你開張醫生紙俾我，冇問題。菜心同一斤冬瓜，兩樣夾埋30蚊啊！我用八達通啊！好。Number 2， 你覺得邊度唔舒服？我覺得肚痛同肚屙。你有腸胃炎，我開啲藥俾你。好，麻煩你開張醫生紙俾我，冇問題。